Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2014 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, power passenger seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.